Hello, welcome to Unicorn Princess Tarot. So, reading to for fire sign, um, Aries, Leo, and Sagittarius. Bali, take only what resonates, guys. Hindi ito magra-resonate sa lahat. Ayan, unfortunately. Kasi hindi ko naman talaga siya makukuha dahil hindi ito personal reading. So, pwede kang makarelate, pwedeng hindi. Pwede kung makaka-relate ka, pwedeng hindi 100%. Ayan. And kung magkakapalit-palit ang roles, pwede rin mangyari yon. Kung gusto mo, pwede kang magpa-personal reading kay Jing Tarot Reader. Search mo na lang siya sa Facebook. Ayan, sa Messenger. At sa TikTok. Pwede mo rin siya i-message doon. Ang akin naman pong TikTok, Unicorn Princess Tarot. Ayan. So, pwede kang mag-check doon sa aking TikTok shop um, for mga products dun sa aking TikTok shop na ginagawa namin. Example, itong mga evil eye na ito. Ayan, kami ang gumagawa niyan, guys. To give protection. So, kung kailangan mo ng mga evil eyes, pwede may check yung aking TikTok shop. Start na natin ang reading, guys. Ano ang messages? Main energy mo muna, no? For fire sign. Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, main energy. For fire sign, please, for fire sign, Aries, Leo, and Sagittarius. One last shuffle. Para sa mga fire sign, okay. For fire sign, you do have here the Emperor. Yan. Emperor, Seven of Wands, and the Nine of Wands. Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, Major Arcana, the Emperor. And bottom of the deck is the Ten of Cups. Okay. So, nakakita ko dito ng might be a person who is very dominant. Might be ikaw yung breadwinner, pwedeng ganun. Or kung hindi man, ikaw yung nasusunod. Yan. Sa lahat ng bagay. Yung iba could be may kinalaman sa career, you could be a boss, or may kinalaman sa house, sa home, no? And with the Seven of Wands, nakikita natin na maraming nagiging kagalit because of this energy. You are the one who is parang nasusunod, so may tendency may mga times you are nagagalit, ganyan. And then with the Nine of Wands, this is creating chaos or problem. Nakikita natin with the Ten of Cups, pagdating sa family, I can see a lot of happiness, a lot of warmth dito. Kung nagkakaroon mo ng problema, nakikita natin na susolusyonan, naayos, nagiging maganda or maayos, or kung magkaroon man ng problema, hindi siya gano'n na nagtatagal. With the Seven of Pentacles, nakikita natin that you have your own goals. No? Meron kang goals, may gusto kang ma-achieve. And you want a lot of people, or you want others to know kung ano yung goals mo na yon. And you want these people na makipag-cooperate sa'yo. Gusto mo sila na makatulong ka or makatulong sa'yo. Gusto mo sila na tignan din yung perspective mo. Parang ganun. Gusto mong maintindihan nila kung ano yung mga gusto mong mangyari. Gusto mo gawin din nila yung mga dapat nilang gawin, yung parte nila. And ang tendency with the devil, you're being bossy here, or hindi na nila magets kung ano yung gusto mo, dahil yung iba pwedeng in a way na ipapadala or napapasabi mo sa kanila ito in a way na parang nagiging bossy ka na. So nagkakaroon ng chaos or problem pagdating sa bagay na ito. So pagdating sa love, sino itong person na kakonect mo? Pwede ka makarelate, pwedeng hindi, guys, ha? I don't know kung I don't know, ha? May nakita lang ako. It's just, maybe, naglalaro ka dati ng Sims. If you're unfamiliar with that game, it's like, RPG games yun, role-playing games. And minsan mo nang nilaro yun, yung The Sims sa computer or might be sa cellphone kung meron man. Um, yeah, something to do with The Sims. Or you might be playing a role-playing game. Ganon. Pag sinabing role-playing game, ikaw yung yung mismong character. Ayan, napapagalaw mo siya, mo siya, kung anong gusto mong gawin niya, ginagawa niya. So, yeah, that kind of game. So, maaaring ikaw ay gamer or minsan ka na naglaro nitong The Sims na ito. Or maybe you're playing something na katulad nitong Sims na ito. Anyway, kung hindi ka nakaka-relate, okay lang guys. Okay lang. Huwag mo yung kunin. The Seven of Cups is here. Okay, your person is currently problematic. Gusto niya mag-travel, gusto niyang umuwi. I feel like you're dealing with someone who is malayo and particularly nasa abroad, This person, gusto niya umuwi. Gusto niyang mag-travel, Knight of Swords. And with the Wheel of Fortune, or kung siya yung nasa Pinas, at ikaw ang nasa abroad, parang gusto niya mag-travel papunta dyan sa abroad din. So, something to do with paglapit sa'yo, doon na lang tayo, kasi hindi ko alam kung nasaan ka, But, if you are nasa abroad, gusto nitong taong to, pumunta rin sa abroad. So, kung ikaw nasa Pinas, gusto niya umuwi papuntang Pinas. Okay, na-gets mo yan? And, this person is, ang dami niyang problema ngayon, dami niyang isipin. Tapos, iniisip ka pa niya, dagdag ka pa sa iniisip nitong taong to. The Six of Pentacles is here. So, this person is a kind of person na gusto niyang magbigay ng gift. Mahilig siya magbigay ng gift, especially sa mga taong minamahal niya. And that includes you with the Ace of Wands. I feel like, kung magkakaroon ng new beginning dito sa person na ito, gusto niya, kasama ka dun sa new beginning na yon. This person is thinking about new beginning kasi currently, hindi siya okay sa sitwasyon niya. With the High Priestess, pwedeng alam mo yon, pwedeng ramdam mo yon, pwedeng alam mo may something na mali, pwedeng alam mo na hindi siya okay. And you can feel that because kahit gaganyan-ganyan ka, na parang wala kang pakialam, pero spiritually, pwedeng malakas naman ang pakiramdam mo. Okay, so maybe you are spiritually developed or connected dito sa person nito. What is your emotions patungkol sa person mo? Emotions mo, okay. Your emotions is the Star and the World. Wow. It has something to do with astrology. So, I don't know, pwedeng match kayo nito person nito, compatible kayo because dahil sa astrology nyo. Because of your zodiac signs, pwedeng you are compatible. Kung hindi man, kung hindi man sa mismo zodiac sign, maybe sa inyong Chinese horoscope, pwedeng ganun. Or sa inyong astrology, pinakamalawak is yung astrology. And do sa astrological chart ninyo, pwedeng nagmamatch kayo nitong taong to. So, may pagmamatch sa inyo nitong person nito. And that's why, although may mga priorities ka ngayon, nakikita natin na iniiwasan mo itong taong to Might be, you're dealing with this new beginnings or your own journey in life. So, nandun ka nakafocus I'm seeing another person here. Someone na parang malakas ang kanyang sense of humor. This person really do loves you. Attracted to you. Itong person na ito, kind of happy-go-lucky kind of person, ganun. And nakikita natin yung pagkagusto sa'yo nitong person na ito. Pero parang kailangan niya munang unahin yung kanyang mga duties and responsibilities. Nakakita tayo ng ganong person. And nakakita tayo ng a lot of love mula dito sa taong to. So, this is another person. You could be dealing with two people, especially with the Two of Pentacles. And if you are dealing with two people, nakikita natin pwedeng tinitimbang mo kung sino sa kanila lamang, sino yung tingin mong mas okay, sino yung But the way I say this, itong person na kakonect mo dito, mas nakikita mo siya as someone na compatible kayo. Okay? And maybe the other person, which is nakakita rin tayo ng love and emotions and paghanga mula dito sa taong to. Pwedeng hindi mo siya masyadong na-appreciate, medyo mababa ang tingin mo sa kanya, but I don't know to you, actually, you are actually parang, sa ngayon parang hindi ka na decided kung sino or alin, kung sino ang gusto mo. Parang gumaganon-ganon eh, parang alam mo yon, maalin-maalin. Pwede ngayong araw na ito, mas matimbang yung isa, the next day, yung isa na naman, so medyo may ganon-ganon sa'yo. What is this person's emotions towards you? Anong emotion niya towards you? The Death card and the Strength card, these are two major arcana. Actually, puro major arcana siya lumabas. Ayan. The Star, the World, the Death card, and the Strength card. Tapos yung bottom of the deck is the Hierophant. This is also a major arcana. You could be dealing with someone na I don't know. It feels like nakatago kasi yung emotions ng taong to eh. Tell me about the real emotions. What is hidden here? Anong itinatago dito sa person na ito? Yung emotions niya towards you. The Empress. Okay. So, malaki ang paghanga niya sa'yo. Itong taong to with the Empress. He or she sees you as someone na you have everything. You have everything. And the Seven of Pentacles, yeah. Nakikita ka niya as like, there's this trophy. So, medyo mataas ang tingin sa'yo ng taong to. Could be a past person. In the past, nakikita natin gusto niyang magkaroon ng relasyon sa'yo, gusto niya, but, or maybe if there's another person na involved sa inyo, ito yung nagiging problem na itong taong to eh, na parang, hindi ko to pwedeng maramdaman, hindi kita pwedeng gustuhin because of this another person in the past. And, ang person na ito, gusto niyang, nagpaplano siya actually na maging kasing level mo, kasi mataas nga tingin niya sa'yo eh. Ngayon gusto niya maging ka-level mo. Pero, medyo imposible yun ngayon eh, with the Five of Cups. So, might be, gusto ka niya, pero with the Ten of Swords and the Three of Swords, hindi kita pwedeng gustuhin eh. Yun yung nasa isip niya with the Ace of Swords oh. Yun yung nasa isip niya, hindi kita pwedeng gustuhin. Sa ngayon, hindi kita pwedeng mahalin, hindi kita pwedeng gustuhin kasi hindi kita maabot. Hindi kita ma-reach. Okay? So, what will happen in the near future for you? Fire sign. In the near future, you do have here the Devil, Knight of Wands. Clarify the Devil, please. Five of Wands. For your person, you do have here the Six of Pentacles, the Two of Swords, and the Four of Pentacles. I mean, Ten of Pentacles is here, Four of Wands is here. I can see a lot of money in the future for you. This is success, this is money, this is a lot of, pwedeng may kinalaman sa iyong stability. The King of Wands is here, your business. Kung may negosyo ka, it's, like, nag-glow or nagbo-boom, But, unfortunately, nakikita natin yung ugali mo is still the same with the devil. You're still being bossy, you're still being arrogant, but that's you. Now, with the Five of Wands, nakakita tayo dito ng problem because this is causing a lot of fightings or uh, pag-aaway. And that could lead into some kind of changes, no? Ngayon, with the Knight of Wands, this is telling you to parang layuan or alisan mo yung ganong nakasanayan mo. Yeah. Kasi the way I see this, it's like you're a team. You're a team, ano? And when it comes to team, kailangan may teamwork. Hindi pwedeng, hindi ka naman referee, ano? And kung gusto mo mag-glow or grow, gusto mo ng victory, kailangan mo ng teamwork. Diba? Hindi ka pwedeng maging toxic, no? And maganda yung, especially pagdating sa career, sa money, maganda yung masaya ka lang. Masaya lang din yung mga tao sa paligid mo. Pangit ng toxic. Okay. Pangit yung bossy. So, this is telling you na tanggalin mo yun. Kasi possible ang away, ang pagkakagulo. And with the Two of Swords and the Six of Pentacles, nakita tayo dito ng kailangan pag-isip. Actually, this is an advice for your person. Kailangan pag-isipan niyang mabuti yung mga actions niya, especially sa pag-spend ng money, paggastos. Ayan, nakakita tayo dito ng possible na problem pagdating sa money. Nakakita tayo dito ng mga ipon na nawawala or na nagagastos. So, we don't like that, no? So, kung may way para masabi mo dito sa person na to or kung may pag-uusap kayo, it's nice if you would advise na kaya lang itong taong to ayaw niya na pinagsasabihan. Yun yung pangit sa kanya. But, you know, I can see kasi mga problem naman na may kinalaman sa paggastos kasi hindi maganda yung paggastos ng person na ito and in the future. Tell me about this. Yeah, the Judgment. This is you. You should tell your person or talk to your person about this kasi the Five of Cups, pwedeng mamoblema siya or magkaroon ng hindi magandang pangyayari, no? And pwedeng mag-lead ito sa kung kailan kailangan niya yung pera, wala na siya. So, kailangan niyang mag-ipon or ayusin ang kanyang paggastos. Okay, that is for your person actually na side. Kung may pag-uusap kayo, di high chance lang na mas maganda lang na banggitin mo sa kanya yon. Okay, and thank you for watching. I love you all and bye-bye.